Meet the RTS Universal Travel Adapter, your global charging superhero. Compatible with 150 plus countries, it's like a passport for your gadgets. Built-in safety surge protector, keeping sparks out of your travel plans. Dual USB ports. Charge two devices faster than a cheetah on espresso. No voltage conversion needed. It's a plug-and-play world tour. Certified safe, stops charging when full like a responsible buffet eater. Ideal for tech-savvy travelers, it's your trusty sidekick in every outlet. Customers like the functionality and design of the power converter. They mention it works well for iPhone charging, is portable and travel-friendly. Some appreciate the multiple USB ports and AC outlets. However, some customers report that it's slightly loose-fitted in Indian sockets. Opinions are mixed on the quality, value for money, and charging speed.